Hi everyone, this is Anti. Welcome to another Life and Wealth Mastery. What a day on Wall Street. The stock market is falling from its high, and investors are reacting to the disappointment in the Federal Reserve meeting last Wednesday. They were expecting a stimulus package and they were expecting a magical lightning vaccine solution that didn't happen. So this is the reaction as a result of that. S&P 500, top 500 in America, under a lot of pressure right now. Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Nvidia, all across the board, is testing its new low for the day. And so that shows you that there's a lot of uncertainty right now in the high-tech sector. Are we going to have another high-tech bubble, the dot-com bust like it used to back in 1999? Or remember the 2008 housing crisis, the financial crisis? Fear will cause people to overreacting and act on impulse. And I know there's going to be a lot of panic sales. And I understand, like with the current situation right now, the S&P 500 could drop even more next week. Who knows? But the government, as always, they always come out and try to do more bailouts. Until I see the stimulus package pass and the vaccine, going to be some positive news about that, then the stock market will rebound. And once it rebounds, pretty fast. So what I'm trying to say is don't be scared. If you diversify your investment across the board and know what are your objectives, what are you seeking for, and you'll be fine. And you buy on the dips, because if you hold it for long term, you'll be okay. Okay? So for an example, if you are looking for an income producing asset, do not buy precious metal or cryptocurrency, because they are not meant for that. You're not going to get that monthly, quarterly, or annually income. They are meant for wealth preservation, to protect your wealth from the falling of the currency. That's it. And if you are looking for cash flow or income producing assets, then you may want to look into the equity market, such as stock market or real estate. Those are the two that I invest into. Why real estate? Is to give you three things. Number one, appreciation over time for a long-term investor. Number two, income producing from the rental income. And number three, you get tax write-off, right? Tax benefit from the depreciation of your asset. So those are the three things why people invest into real estate. And why people invest into stock market. If you're looking for income producing, there's stocks that are paying dividends, which means you invest a piece of your money into that company. And if that company make money, they share the profit with you. Make sure you choose a company that are with good price per earning ratio, the book with a good book value, and a long history of producing good revenue, and have a history of payout dividend consistently, at least for the last 10 or 20 plus years. I give you an example. Johnson & Johnson is a dividend company that they pay dividend. Philip Morris is a company, a secret company that I love. I had it for over almost 20 years. And it paid 6% dividend, for example. So that is just some example, like Coca-Cola. right? Verizon, AT&T, right? Those are some of the companies that have been paying dividend for such a long time. And with the uncertainty in the market right now, if you want some asset class that give you that monthly cash flow, you may want to look into that. And you need to position yourself that, hey, if I want to buy right now, because if you sit here and calculate, is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to buy? You are missing out. You will not act, or you would not do anything. Because you can never time the market, like I say. But if you buy a fundamental stock, like I told you, using the right formula, like I mentioned earlier, the P ratio, the book ratio, and the income, look at the balance sheet. If it's good, invest into them. And you actually want to buy on the dip, on the discount, so that you can accumulate more over time. Remember the compound interest. It worked wonderful. You buy and hold those companies. I have some of them. I had it for almost 20 years. Imagine I reinvested that dividend, that income, instead of cashing out and spend on things. What I do is if you don't need it, you can reinvest what you earn on those dividends from that income and buy back those stocks. And over time, the magic of compound interest will produce massive return for you. And if you would like to get a free stock to start trading in the stock market, feel free to click on the link below. Please comment below if you would like to learn more about the dividend stocks that I invested into. And as you know, I am a hedge fund manager, and I've been a real estate licensed professional since 2001. It's been almost 20 years in the trade. I've been through the business cycle of the financial housing crisis and the dot-com bust. So I learned my hard lessons, and that's why I'm going to share with you on some of my mistakes and what to do, what not to do. Please comment below, and don't forget to give me a thumb up. That would help out my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.